Hello children. Today Kahani Wali Nani is going to tell you a story about two woodcutters, Raghu and Mohan. Children, do you know what does a woodcutter do? Yes, he chops trees in the forest for fuel or sells it in the market to earn a living. Listen. In a village lived Raghu, a woodcutter. He was poor but honest and hard-working. Every day he used to chop trees in the forest and sell the wood in a nearby village. One fine morning, Raghu took his axe and went to the forest. On his way, he passed his neighbor house. Who was his neighbor? Mohan, a woodcutter. He was a lazy and greedy person who Mohan. Raghu said, "Hi Mohan, good morning." "Mohan, I am going to the forest. Come, bring your axe, we both will go together." But Mohan said, "So early? No, I am not feeling well today. I am not coming." Raghu knew Mohan was making an excuse, so he went alone. After reaching the forest, Raghu began searching for a nice tree with thick and dry branches. Raghu said, "Oh, there's not a single tree which has got good wood. I should go further." And he began to move deeper into the forest. When Raghu reached the river, he said, "Oh, here's a nice good tree. Its branches are thick. I will get a handsome sum for this wood." And Raghu climbed up the tree. Singing merrily, he began cutting the branches. Suddenly, strong wind began to blow. "Oh, it seems the storm is coming. I will have to stop my work and hurry home," Raghu said. Raghu stopped chopping and hurriedly began climbing down the tree. And in this hurry and curry, children, do you know what happened? Yes, the axe slipped out of Raghu's hand and fell down. For once, Raghu became spellbound and then quickly came down the tree. He began searching for his axe here and there but could not find it. "Oh, my axe has fallen into the river, I think. Now what shall I do? How will I cut wood? I don't have enough money to buy a new axe. Oh God, please help me, please help me." And he started crying. Just then, children, a mermaid appeared. She said to Raghu, "Who are you and why are you crying?" And Raghu narrated the whole incident to her. "Mother, I am Raghu, a poor woodcutter. I have lost my axe and now I don't know how I will help my family. Please help me." The mermaid took pity on Raghu and said, "Raghu, don't cry, my child. I will bring your axe back." The mermaid went into the water and came up with an axe. She said, "Raghu, take your axe." Raghu said, "Oh mother, this is not my axe. This is a golden axe and I cannot take this. Please get me my axe." "Okay," said the mermaid and once again dived into the water. This time she came up again with an axe. "Raghu, I think this is your axe. Come, take it." But again Raghu refused to take it, saying, "Mother, this is a silver axe and mine was a simple axe made up of iron and wood. I cannot take this." Again for the third time the mermaid went into the water, and this time, children, do you know what did she bring? Yes, Raghu's iron axe. Seeing the axe, Raghu shouted with joy, Yes, mother, this is my axe. Thank you, mother. Thank you very much." And he took the axe. The mermaid said, "Raghu, you are an honest man. As a reward for your honesty, I am giving you both the silver and golden axes as well. You can sell them and your life will become easy." Raghu took both the axes. After thanking the mermaid once again, he started for his home happily. On the way back home, whom did Raghu meet? Yes, he met Mohan. Mohan saw Raghu with the three axes and he said, "Oh, such beautiful axes. Raghu, how come you got these beautiful golden and silver axes?" Raghu narrated the whole story to Mohan as how he lost his axe and the mermaid gave him all the three axes. At night, while lying on his bed, Mohan thought, "Wow, I can also become rich like Raghu. Tomorrow morning I will go by the riverside and get the axes from the mermaid." Every day Mohan would get up late in the morning, but the next day Mohan got up early and went with his axe toward the river. He looked here and there and slowly, what did he do? He threw the axe in the river and started crying. The mermaid appeared and said, "Who are you, my child, and why are you crying?" Mohan said, "Oh, mother, my axe has fallen down in this river. I am a poor woodcutter, Mohan, and now how will I earn my living? How will I support my family? Please help me." "Okay," said the mermaid, and she went into the water and came up with an axe. "Here's your axe, Mohan, take it." Mohan looked up, and children, it was Mohan's iron axe. Mohan said to himself, "Raghu said the mermaid gave golden axe first, then the silver, and then the iron one. But today she is giving me the iron one first. Oh, maybe she will give the golden axe next time." And Mohan said, "Mother, this is not my axe." Hearing this, the mermaid got furious and said, "Mohan, you are a liar." And she went back in the water with the axe. Now, Raghu was waiting for the mermaid, but when she did not come up for a long time, Mohan realized his mistake and he began crying. Just then, Raghu came there. He asked, "Mohan, why are you crying?" Mohan told him all that had happened. And what did Raghu say? He said, "Mohan, you should not have lied. You were greedy and you lied to the mermaid, and so she has punished you." Then he said, "Mohan, my friend, don't cry. I think if you promise not to be greedy, lazy, and will always speak the truth, I think mermaid might forgive you and return your axe." "Yes, yes, Raghu, I will do that." And Mohan bowed down and said, "Oh, Mother Mermaid, please forgive me. I was wrong. From now onwards, I will be truthful, honest, and hardworking like Raghu. Please forgive me." Just then the mermaid appeared with Mohan's axe and gave it to him. Raghu and Mohan bowed down before the mermaid and thanked her once again. Then both of them went home happily. So, children, we should be honest and truthful and hardworking like Raghu, isn't it? How did you like this story? Do not forget to leave your comments. And yes, you can subscribe me, Kahani Wali Nani Sarla Minni, to keep receiving more stories every week. Meet you again with a new story next week. Goodbye. Take care.